I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at a pair of compact mechanical keyboards from Keychron. This is a company that's laser focused on mechanical keyboards and related products like switches and keycaps. Keychron's target market is productivity users rather than gamers, so these will end up in home offices rather than in front of gaming rigs. There are dozens of varieties of Keychron keyboards out there, but I'm looking specifically at two that I happen to have samples of, the Keychron K3 and the new Keychron Q1. Both are 75% form factor mechanical keyboards with RGB backlighting, hot-swappable switches, and full support for both Windows and macOS. However, the similarities end there. The K3, which is on the left here, is Bluetooth wireless, ultra slim, and ultra light, while the Q1 is a wired tank. I'm not exaggerating. The Q1 is made with CNC machined aluminum, and it weighs 200 grams more than my laptop. This is the most solid keyboard I've used in my life, and I love the blue aluminum. It's also available in more traditional colors. Keychron shipped my K3 sample in an optional keyboard case. Why would you want something like that? It's because this is a super slim mechanical keyboard, just 2.2 centimeters at its thickest point. It uses special low-profile switches and weighs just 396 grams. I actually bring it with me when I travel because it pairs nicely with my iPad mini. I always have the iPad with me anyway for reading and scanning news, and the combination gives me an ultra-portable laptop with an excellent wireless keyboard just in case, without having to bring a laptop. Now here's what that 75% form factor means in comparison to a full-size keyboard. It saves space, but you do lose the numeric keypad. And here's what the mechanical switches in these Keychron mechanical keyboards sound like. If you prefer mechanical keyboards, you probably loved that sound. Now, both my review samples shipped pre-configured for macOS, but Keychron includes Windows keycaps and a keycap puller in the box. Just switch a few keys, set the switch to Windows, and you're good. That makes these keyboards fully compatible with both operating systems. And both keyboards are also equipped with hot-swappable switches. This means you can remove the switches with a puller and replace them with new switches that have different characteristics, like a more tactile feel or more quiet operation. You do need to make sure you stick with compatible switches. These keyboards both arrived equipped with Keychron switches. Here I'm connecting the Keychron Q1 to my Mac setup. You'll notice it comes with an interesting keyboard cable. It's a two-piece premium coiled aviator cable with USB Type-A and USB-C connectors. Once it's connected, you get the RGB lighting effects. There are basic controls for the lighting on the keyboard, and you can also download software to customize it. If you've been eyeing a custom mechanical keyboard, the Keychron K3 and Q1 are two interesting choices that also save you desktop space compared to a full-size keyboard. They're highly customizable, and while each is very different, both offer an excellent typing experience. You'll find mechanical keyboards from all the top PC accessory brands at Best Buy. To learn more about the Keychron K3 and Keychron Q1 mechanical keyboards, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.